Hey guys, what's going on? It is Saul over at SUPP, bringing you another clean snacking video. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make protein popsicles in just 5 steps, yielding 40 plus grams of protein per batch. Let's go ahead and get started. Now, if you're from my neck of the woods, you'll know that the weather's getting pretty hot. I'm not a huge fan of air conditioning 24/7, so if you're like me, you'll know there's nothing more satisfying than sitting outside on the deck, enjoying the evening breeze, or inside in front of the fan while enjoying your afternoon getting some work done. Even then though, sometimes you just need something that'll cool you down quick. For me, a nice chilled iced tea, some ice cream, or novelty popsicles usually come to mind when I think of approaching the summer heat. That or a good swim. Now, like I mentioned in SUPP Noble Whole Food Military Nutrition at home, clean eating doesn't have to be boring. You can continue to enjoy things you like without significantly altering your lifestyle. The main thing to focus on is keeping your lean muscle packed on and the waistline decent looking, so you stay fighting fit. So when it comes to beating the summer heat, you can still make sure that you get your protein hit, some healthy fats, antioxidants, minerals, and a good boost of vitamins without sacrificing indulging your taste buds. There's a quick, easy, nutrient and protein-packed popsicle recipe. It's the perfect way to have your cake and eat it too, for lack of a better analogy. Enjoy. So this makes 8 protein popsicles depending on how big your molds are. Prep time is less time than it takes to blend your morning protein shake. Freeze time is around 1 to 2 hours, depending on how cold you keep your freezer. Mine's like the South Pole. That gives a total time of 1 to 2 hours and a few minutes. Now for the items needed, a frighteningly powerful blender and popsicle molds. That's pretty much it. For the ingredients, 2 scoops of protein powder, pick whatever flavor you want. So far I've tried chocolate, banana, vanilla, strawberry, chocolate mint, etc. Now these flavors and more can be found in the SUPP store. Bear in mind if some of them are sold out, Optimum Nutrition or ON is another great alternative in terms of quality. 1 cup almond milk, unsweetened, 1 cup water, 4 huge teaspoons of cocoa powder, opt for all natural, a half teaspoon of cinnamon. You guys remember chapter 7 in SUPP Noble Whole Food Military Nutrition at home? Yeah, that comes in handy here. 6 ice cubes. And optionally, you can add some frozen fruit if you like, though you may have to add some more water. Now for the directions. Throw all your ingredients into your blender, water first, almond milk last, and close the lid. For a quick tip, there's a method to my madness. This creates a layer, ensuring everything blends smoothly rather than sticking to the side or the top of your blender. Step 2, insert earplugs into your ears. Step 3, blend until smooth and creamy. Step 4, take your popsicle molds and pour your mix into them. Step 5, freeze until your liquid mix starts resembling actual popsicles. That's pretty much it. Simple, right? A couple things to mention. Now, if you read either SUPP Noble Whole Food Military Nutrition on the go or SUPP Noble Whole Food Military Nutrition at home, you'll understand the obvious benefits of the ingredients chosen. Whey for the protein, plus other benefits mentioned in SUPP Noble Whole Food Military Nutrition at home, and cinnamon and cocoa powder for the antioxidant benefits. I will say that I generally don't encourage drinking almond milk, which is probably why I've never bothered putting up a recipe on here, despite some requests after the almond butter recipe I posted a while back. Largely because almonds are much more nutrient dense when they're eaten in whole form. When you make almonds into a milk and discard the rest of the almond, sure, you've got a tasty drink, but you've also single-handedly thrown away a significant amount of the nutrients almonds come packed with in whole form. So, good job. Lastly, like I mentioned earlier, depending on the size of your popsicle molds, the serving size may vary. Not to mention you may need to add more water to fit the molds. That last point is really only applicable if you're a perfectionist though. This isn't a beauty contest. I avoid adding more water as I like a popsicle that doesn't melt ridiculously fast, but that's just me. Now here's the approximate individual and total nutritional values for the whole batch at 8 popsicles. Per popsicle, you're looking at 5 grams of protein, 4 grams of carb, and 1 gram of fat. For total nutritional values per batch, that is just over 40 grams of protein, 32 grams of carbs, and 8 grams of fat. And that's it. If you like this recipe, share it, comment below, let me know how yours turned out. And that is about it. If you like this video, share it, subscribe, and comment below. If you really like this video, but you don't have the SUPP guides yet, go ahead and buy them over at the SUPP website. The link is in the description below and up on the screen. They cost less than the shirt on your back, but unlike that shirt, the knowledge gain lasts a lifetime. Now, if you've already bought the guides, hey, thanks, then go ahead and check out the other gear in my shop. From nutrition supplements to apparel, you can pick up some whey protein for your next workout, new threads for that sleeve-splitting arms day, or something else that'll help you remember that when it comes to fueling and training your body, once you learn how to, where you are matters less. And every item, the material, color, style, ingredients, and quality are all handpicked by me, so if I want wear it, eat it, drink it, or read it, I will not sell it to you. It's that simple. If you go ahead and get the guides, you'll discover recipes with nutritional breakdown in each of the nutrition guides to make things nice and easy, and that's available under the snacks chapters, and previews of the chapters are available in the shop. With the workout guides, you'll get in-depth customizable workout plans with breakdowns of how to effectively and efficiently train your muscles no matter where you are. And all guides teach you how to eliminate worries or concerns about getting the nutrition and strength and conditioning you need to stay fighting fit for when you're deployed or at home. And that's it, guys. Drop by next time for another great video to add to your workout and nutrition arsenal. And most importantly, stop doing guesswork. Start making the necessities of your life easier. Because if you know how to fuel and train your body, where you are matters less. That's it from me. Have a great week, weekend, whichever. Peace.